Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Physics class, Chapter 4, Turning Effect of Forces. Chapter 4, Turning Effect of Forces means that how different forces when act on body it caused a change in any body. Before starting a chapter, let us take a review that what are the main things or main points that we are going to discuss in this chapter. First, like and unlike forces, addition of forces, resolution of forces, torque or moment of forces, then principle of moment, later on center of mass, center of gravity and couple, and in last equilibrium and states of equilibrium. The first thing that we have to discuss in this chapter is like parallel forces and unlike parallel forces. Like parallel forces are the forces that are parallel to each other and have same direction. In simple words, or the simplest example of a like parallel force is the weight of anything that is acting in a downward direction. So in simple words, like parallel forces are the forces whose line of action are parallel to each other and all of them act in a same direction. On the other hand, unlike parallel forces are the forces that are parallel but have direction opposite to each other. Or in simple words, or the simplest example of unlike parallel forces is when anything is tied to a string, the string is having a tension and the weight of body is acting in a downward position. Tension is acting in upward position and weight is in downward position. So we can say that unlike parallel forces are the forces whose line of action are parallel to each other and all of them do not act in a same direction. Then comes addition of forces. Addition of forces we can add, or force is as a vector quantity and it has magnitude and direction. Therefore forces are added by ordinary mathematical rules. And when forces are added, we get a resultant force. A resultant force is a single force that has the same effect as the combined effect of all forces to be added. And we can add forces by head to tail rule. And in head to tail rule, or head to tail rule can be used to add any number of forces. The vector representing the resultant forces give the magnitude of the resultant forces, mean all the quantities are or qualities of both vectors or more than two vectors are present in that resultant vectors. Then comes resolution of force. Resolution of force is splitting up a force into two mutual perpendicular components is called resolution of that force. And we can represent resolution of force on x-axis and y-axis or by graph. On x-axis we represent the force as Fx, and on y-axis we represent the force as Fy, and the resultant of force is given as F. And we can represent different type of forces or resolution of or splitting up of different forces on graph as well. Then is torque or moment of force. The turning effect of force is called torque or moment of force. Like in example here, a person is applying a force on some object and there is a distance between that weight or that object, and weight is acting in a downward position. So when a force is applied on with some perpendicular distance, it is causing the moment of force, and moment of force is represented as force multiplied by perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is also said to be the moment arm. The simplest example of movement is when or simple handle of door, when we open or close the door easily by applying the force at the outer edge of our door rather than the near the hinge. Thus the location of force is on which we are applying, or the location of force is applied to turn a body in a is a very important. And the moment of force is depend, or moment of different forces depend upon the force and moment arm. If force or moment arm is greater than the, or moment arm is greater, then torque will be increased one, or moment is increased. If force or moment arm is smaller, or you can say that large or simpler one, or less, then moment arm is also lesser. And we can represent force by F and perpendicular distance or moment arm with the help of L. Then comes principle of moment. According to principle of moment, a body is balanced if the sum of clockwise moments acting on a body is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moment acting on a body. Means when a body is initially at rest, it does not rotate if sum of all clockwise moments acting on it is balanced, or it is balanced by the sum of all the anti-clockwise moments acting on the body. The simplest example of principle of moment is represented as by seesaw. The distance that is being applied on one object is also applied on anti-clockwise movement, and we can balance it with the help of anti-clockwise and clockwise movement. Then comes center of mass. Center of mass is the point at which the mass of an object can be concentrated or can be considered to be concentrated. For example, I gave the example by showing different diagrams, and green point is representing the center of mass, or they are or center of mass is also a point, is such a point where an applied force causes the system to move without rotation. Means the whole system moves without rotation on center of mass. Center of gravity, on the other hand, is a point where the whole weight of body appears to act vertically downward, is called center of gravity, or the point from which the object will be balanced. Means if you can see the footballer, or these type of um, acrobats who are balancing their body on something, in they are balancing according to center of gravity, or they are just balancing their weight with the help of center of gravity or with the help of gravity. Then comes couple is formed by two unlike parallel forces of same magnitude but not along the same line. For example, when a driver turns a vehicle, he applied force that produce a torque. This torque turns the steering wheel, and these forces act on opposite sides of steering wheel, and but in equal magnitude or opposite direction, because push and pull is being applied on that steering wheel, so it is in opposite direction. So these forces form a couple, and couple is unlike parallel or formed by unlike parallel forces of same magnitude. Same one of more example is a double arm spanner, with the help of which we can open the nut. Or we can also give the example of cyclist that pushes the pedal of bicycle, and this forms the couple that act on the pedals, and the pedals cause the tooth wheel to turn, or to make the rear wheel of bicycle to rotate. Equilibrium of forces is defined as a body is said to be in equilibrium if no net force acts on it. For example, a wall painting hanging is in equilibrium, or if we can hang, or if we take the swing, then it is due to equilibrium, with the help of which we can balance out our weight. Or a paratrooper coming down with terminal velocity is in equilibrium, or a ladder leaning at the wall is also one of the example of equilibrium of different forces. Then there are different states of equilibrium. There are three main states of equilibrium. First one is a neutral equilibrium, then stable equilibrium, and unstable equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium is defined as if a body remains in its new position when disturbed from its previous position, it is said to be in the state of neutral equilibrium. For example, a ball, a sphere, a roller, a pencil laying horizontally, or egg laying horizontally on the flat surface are the most probably the similar example of neutral equilibrium, in which body just remains, or again return to its previous position. On the other hand, stable equilibrium is a equilibrium in which a body is said to be a stable equilibrium if after slight tilt it returns to its previous position. For example, a book laying on a table is said to be the in a stable equilibrium. And in last, unstable equilibrium is if a body remains in its new position when disturbed from its previous position, or it will not just come back to, or when we just set that body free after a slight tilt, it is not coming, or it will not return or does not return to its previous position, is said to be unstable equilibrium. For example, pencil balance at its tip is one of the example of unstable equilibrium. And vehicles are mostly or usually made heavy at the bottom. This lowers their center of gravity and helps to increase their stability, is one of other example of stable equilibrium, or to become a, or to be in a form of stable equilibrium. These are some of the more examples that are representing neutral, stable and unstable equilibrium. In first, neutral equilibrium is as I described earlier, is that equilibrium in which it just comes back to its previous position. These are or this is represented by a ball. Then stable is there, in which after tilt it will again come back to its position. And stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, is a equilibrium in which body does not return back to its normal position or its actual position.